Lovely new shiny glove for you all folks. Look at this. Frightened tonight. Right, that's the panel there. That's half it made, if you see there. Look at that there. We do this, blah blah blah, brad it, nailed it, the corrugated things and all this. But what we do once we make them, this is for Stacey. Stacey's, when do you paint them with, Wally? Well, I paint them with, I couldn't tell you, Stacey, publicly, but I'll tell you privately because I couldn't reveal my trade secrets to everybody. People are saying I'm going to make too many secrets. Well, there's 4 we did earlier. Right, we're making that one there and we've one already at the job. So there, all we do is this, we come in closer, we've got the spotlight on the tank. There you go, on so many days, dip it in there like that, dip it there, turn it round, go like that, that's it. Lift it up, put that wee thing there, put it there like that, and there you go. And all the excess is wax in, so there's no waste. That's oil based, so it is penetrates in. That's the way we do with gates. Quite simple, the best. You'll basically get double treated because the wood we're using is very pressure treated. Then we're doing it again. It's like the chip shop. We're frying tonight. Out with that. Claire Fine New means we'll be with you next week, Claire, I can guarantee you. And Jagbeer and Hillfoot Road, you'll be attended to next week. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you. And I'll not be wearing these gloves next week when I come to do your jobs, folks. Okay? Thank you very much and keep following, sharing and talking about me. Even if you don't, like me, but like me. See you all later, folks.